What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. You guys, I'm in my laundry room. Y'all see that laundry that needs to be done? It looks like a lot, but it really isn't. Let me show you guys. Took about 3 loads, and I have a big full washer and dryer. So with that being said, it's going to take like 3 loads. It's not going to take all day long. I'm going to do my laundry today. And I'm going to go back downstairs because I have a few dishes to do. It's not a lot. But what I really need to do is go get some paper plates, paper cups, because I ran out a couple of weeks ago. I said I will be fine without it. We'll be fine without it. The hell if we will. The hell if we will. Hold on, let me situate you guys. I'm getting ready to wash these dishes. Like I said, it's not a lot. It just looks like it. This is it, you guys, in the skillet. And I don't be saving that grease, you guys. So I usually pour the grease in a bag and then put it in. Then put it in the trash bag outside. Because they have things that can strain the grease, but then even when you strain the grease, it still don't taste as clean. So I do this, put it in here, then I tie it up, put it in the trash. Right now, I'm waiting for the water to get hot. And I gotta clean my stove out too, because that stove. That's it. I'm gonna give y'all some music, and I'm gonna wash these dishes. Okay, my little riders, I use my dishwasher as a dish rack because I don't like having a lot of stuff on my counters. And yeah, that's just what I do. I'm a minimalist. And even the stuff that I have on my counters now, I think it's too much. So with that being said, some stuff is gonna come off. I will be happy if there was nothing on my counters at all. But I know I need something on there, but the stuff I have on there is very, very minor. But I still think it's too much. Yeah, I'm gonna take some stuff off. Okay, as you guys can see, the kitchen is all clean. And yes, I'm being lazy. I'm not going all the way downstairs. Everything is clean down here. And everything is clean in there. And in the other part of the living room. But I'm ready to go upstairs right now, you guys, so that I can start doing all of this laundry. As you can see, the room is clean. So I need to start doing the laundry. And then I'm gonna come in here and figure this printer out because it's not connecting with my Wi-Fi. New printer, old printer that stopped connecting with my Wi-Fi. I think it has something to do with the Wi-Fi probably. Let's see. Okay, you guys, I came in and straightened up the laundry room. It needed to be swept. It needs to be mopped, but I'm not doing all that. And I showed you guys when I redid the laundry room a long time ago. So these are my cleansers and stuff. The thing that says laundry. And in here is my all of my plugins for my Bath and Body Works thingies. And this is my, here is my, oh, can you guys see in there? Dryer sheets. And this is all some of the cleansers that I use. And this is the detergent little ball thingies. And these are my Bath and Body Works candles. Live, Love, Laugh. And this is where I fold my towels sometimes. Most of the time I take all my laundry in my room and fold it. These are my products. And I have this Tanette Co vacuum cleaner, but I'm gonna reach out to them because they need to send me a vacuum cleaner. And the rest of the laundry needs to be washed. What you hear now is the washing machine going. I have these two Kirby vacuum cleaners, and this one right here is the one that let me see. I think this one is the one that I use the most. My son gave me this one. And my friend Marlene, when she was moving, she left this here. So, Marlene, when you gonna come and get your dang on heavy ass Kirby vacuum cleaner? So I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna leave this one upstairs and take this one to the garage. And I'm gonna leave the attachments up here. Also, you guys, it's got dark up here. So I'm saying, yep. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just doing laundry now. Okay, my little riders, you saw I did the dishes, I did laundry, but what happened why you do not see me folding any laundry is because I folded the first load and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. And then when I went to put the clothes that were in the washer and the dryer, I hadn't started the washer, so I'm not gonna wait for all that so you guys can see me fold a load, which I did try to show you guys me folding the load, but trust and believe the laundry will get done tonight, but I'm not going to record it because I have to edit what I have now, so it'll go up for Vlogtober, day 20. Okay? you guys. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider.